Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus ROG Zephyrus G16. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus ROG Zephyrus G16 only charges when you hold the cable at a certain angle, you're likely facing an issue with the charging port or the internal connector. This problem can occur due to wear and tear or damage to the port itself. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications, including total failure to charge, which can leave you without a functioning device. To get started with the repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a spudger, some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning, and a new charging port or connector. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully using the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover of the laptop. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the casing. Once the cover is off, locate the charging port on the motherboard. It's usually situated near the edge of the device, connected to the power input. You may need to disconnect a few cables to gain better access. When you've located the charging port, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing it in place. Make sure to keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Gently lift the charging port out of its slot and disconnect any attached cables. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new charging port and carefully connect it in the same manner as the old one was attached. Once it's secured, replace the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightened properly, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the port or the motherboard. Reconnect any cables you previously detached and make sure they are secure. After everything is back in place, carefully snap the back cover of your laptop back on, ensuring it fits snugly. Power on your device and test the charging functionality. If your laptop charges normally, congratulations, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, be mindful of how you plug and unplug your charger. Avoid pulling on the cable and consider using a cable protector to reduce wear and tear on the port. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.